Well, that is definitely what you call the sunroof. Yeah, you definitely can't get any clearer than that. So, issues with roof lights cracking, and this is what we have to do basically when we replace the roof light. So we did a training course with Swift on these roof lights because whether something's hitting them, I don't know what's going on, but they tend to crack up. So a while back we went to the factory and actually learnt the correct way to take them out. I'd done one of these, so we'd actually already done one of these roof lights in a motorhome pre going to the factory.
Oh, this is dangerous. Steady. Whoa.
And I wasn't sure whether I'd actually done it correctly or not, but it ends up that the way that I'd sort of worked out that it needed to be done, it was exactly as they did or taught us in the factory. So this was actually a similar roof light to the one that I'd replaced previously. So first job is, once I've obviously got all of the old sealant removed, is let's get the knife in and actually split the screen. And what that's going to allow us to do is actually take this first layer of screen completely off, and then that'll reveal where we'll actually get the new screen into place and just work down that, and then these will just peel. The two sections will peel apart, and that'll then allow us to get into this section, and that's actually in a motorhome. Now, what had happened with the one on the motorhome is that it had just again got a crack in it. The top part of the perspex had broken away, so it's flapping around. I ended up having to replace the roof light in that motorhome before really of doing the proper training course and finding out exactly what we should do and what we shouldn't do. But luckily it worked out that it was actually correct the way that I thought that it should be done, which while I was actually doing it I felt like I was bodging it, to be fair, but there isn't any other way. You have to cut the old roof light out. So now that I've got the rest of the roof light out, I can actually get in. I can get in with my knife and just literally just try and cut. Just try and find a way to be able to show you. But it's just literally then getting the knife up, and I've got nearly enough sort of power to be able to actually get through the sealant, and it's just then literally going up and down, trying to work away at it. And to cut it out, it's basically using a grinder to cut the actual perspex out of there, and then using a multi-tool with like a chisel sort of on there to start breaking the glue down. And then once you've got all just the edges around, you end up just using like a chisel, really sharp chisel. Being very, 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 very careful not to do any damage to the fiberglass and having to do any fiberglass repairs. And then we've got a solution that cleans all this up, and then we rebond the new window back in. So that's a job that is getting done today. Not ideal with these colder weather snap that we've sort of had, to be fair, but with the roof light starting to leak in, it needs doing sooner rather than later. So it's a job that has just had to sort of get done, get some heating on in there, get some heaters on and get that sorted. So one of our little jobs that we've got on, another job that we've sort of, have a look at that, looks like we've had the burglars in. So this is the motorhome, so we've actually got all the parts now sent off for repair and testing, so we can find out exactly what's got the issue and hopefully get this up and running again, because it's been dragging on now for a while. So hopefully that is sort of on the way to being sorted and done. We've had a few new arrivals, so we've got a lovely Swift Challenger 530. I think this is a 2017. It's a H on the Chris number, so I'm pretty sure it's a 17. Nice van. I think on Sunday we will have a quick bit more of a detailed look into this. We've got this lovely Bessicar in. Again, 29,995. I can't remember what the year is on this now. An 08. So I think it's done nice miles. Nice little Bessicar. And this is the one that I was showing earlier, that we've done a similar one to this with the roof light at the front. So again, we'll have a proper look in this on Sunday's video. Got the little sun seeker. So I think we've got 3 motorhomes over here at Garden Village at the minute. Which I think after the new year they'll probably move over to Gailey, and we'll put more caravans over here. And so we're just balancing the stock at the minute. We've not really been buying anything in. Just trying to get back on top of everything. I think the 2 vans that had come in, so that Swift Challenger, and then this Coachman Laser 650. So this has got that nice big island bed at the very back of the caravan. So that is the back with the centre washroom, which again, we're going to have a proper look in this on Sunday's video and a bit more of a tour. We've got our reviews YouTube channel, so it's more just dedicated reviews. We are going to pop a couple of little videos on there as well. So if you've not subscribed to that already, I'll pin a comment at the very top for a link to that new channel. And then we've got our Hello Fresh again. So we're going to be doing another Hello Fresh. I've actually got, this time, I've selected the proper quick 20-minute meal. I've gone for a bit more of a Christmas inspired pigs. Oh, that looks delicious. I shouldn't have looked at these. I'm starting to get very hungry already now. And then we've got a beef, a calorie smart one, so a lower calories meal as well. So I've got a bit of a range of different meals that we're going to be cooking again, and they're perfect for caravanning, camping, especially this time of year. Just having something with proper instructions to sort of follow through. Obviously, sort of Hello Fresh is sponsoring us, but I won't do anything that I don't think is good, and I think the Hello Fresh is very good. So when we do that, we will be doing if you've not ordered a Hello Fresh, we're going to be giving away a voucher code so that you can go and try the Hello Fresh for free. If you have already done the Hello Fresh previously, then it'll probably be a hitch cover or something like that. So that is going to be when that video comes out. And then I think Sunday's video is pretty much going to be our last video, or our last proper video for the year. Goes a lot quieter now, so it's not really any point in sort of trying to keep going over the same tips. There's not really going to be many more caravans coming in now, so again, on Sunday's videos it's going to show the last of the caravans on the motorhome that have come in, that are all fresh in, that you've not seen before. So we'll probably try and put a few tips into that video, and then we've got, as I say, we've got the Hello Fresh video coming up during December, and we've got something else as well, a little fold-up electric bike that we're trying out. So we're just waiting for that to actually be delivered before we can sort of try that out, test it, see if it's any good. Might be crap, but hopefully that's quite good, and we'll do a little sort of review and see what that's like. So a few things there to look forward to. We will see you on Sunday's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment and hit the like button. Look for our new channel, that's going to be pinned to the very, very top, and then we will see you then. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place. And it's in! So, hopefully you can see from that side to this side, we've got it pretty much absolutely spot on. So, what we have then is we'll have a beam that goes over the top and over the front, and that will then hold that roof light down against the sealant, and then they get fully sealed in down the sides and across the top afterwards.